Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I want to welcome you to my channel, and I'm here just to share a little Dollar Tree goodies that I picked up this week. I went there one day on my lunch break and was looking for, I don't know, what was I looking for? I was thinking I needed some packing tape, so I got some packing tape there. I'm going to try this one. I haven't tried this before, so we'll see how it goes. But I kind of have a packing tape that I get from Dollar Tree that's made by 3M that comes on a little red, tape holder. I do use that, and I like that one, but I haven't seen that one there lately. But I have some. I haven't run out yet, so I'm going to keep my eyes out for that. But I also get some other type of packing tape to use on like the back of the envelope, if it's an envelope, or on a box, so I don't have to use the better tape that I use on the front, on the label, all over the envelope, and use it up really quickly. So I'm going to try this one. I'm talking about my Etsy orders. And then this is a little pack of envelopes I thought would be cool. I have some pumpkin envelopes, napkins. I have some napkins with a big pumpkin on it that I'm using, but I thought this would be fun with these little pumpkins. I could cut them out. You could use them as a whole, and it has little candy corns and spiders and bats, so I thought they were so cute. But I thought these could also be cut out and used individually, so I thought I could have a lot of fun with those. And then I picked up some of these leaves. I want to do some crafting, gluing these down into maybe collages or making journaling cards or tags with these. So all in the fall kind of Halloween theme here. And picked up another. I used up all my Jot glue, so they still have these 8-packs. So I picked up one of these. So, I like those for certain things. And then a couple of packs of little, I had seen these before and didn't get any, and then I was wishing I had some. So I went ahead and got some this time before they're all gone. But this is some felt stickers, and in this pack there is, I guess I could open them so you don't have to deal with the glare and the crinkly, and we can see what they look like here. I might be using these tomorrow, so I might as well open them up, right? See how big they are. But I thought these were super cute. There's a bunch in there. Let's see how many it says. 16. So you've got the little orange, like real orangey jack-o'-lantern type. Aren't they cute? And they have the little there's little sewing around the edges. Let me look at this. Hold on. Okay, it's not really sewing. It's just, it feels like it though. It's a little something there on the edge though that looks like it's sewn around the edge. Okay, so we've got the dark orange ones. And this is a little light orange one. Even has a little stem, extra stem on a piece on it there. And then we've got, the jack-o'-lantern with a zigzag stitch on this one. See, this one has the straight stitch there. It's supposed to look like a straight stitch, I guess. Not straight around, but you know what I mean, up and down. And then this is a zigzag on this one, so super cute. There's four of each of those. Let's see, this guy wants to stick on there. And then this is some little bats, which are super cute. They're double layered, like orange and black, and they've got little, what looks like little stitching here. It's raised too, so it really looks like stitching. It's very well made, really. You know what I mean? Very cute. And they're all stickers. So I can't wait to use some of these. They're cute, so 4 of those. And then we've got 4 ghosts, also with the stitch look around the outside, but super cute on those. So yeah, that was that pack. And I will put them back in a minute. Let's see, I've got a couple of these since it's Halloween, and I didn't know if I had any of this color at home. I usually stick to the pinks and blues and reds, and I thought, well, really don't know if I have any of these. And I saw them there, so I thought And one of my Dollar Trees doesn't have, it's like they don't have any baker's twine right now. So I was like, I better go ahead and get these while I see them, because they've been kind of back and forth on the baker's twine. And these were real Halloween colors, so I went ahead and got a couple of those, because those can go pretty quick if you're making a bunch of tags or something. And then this other pack, let's see how these look when you open them up. Another pack of the felt stickers, and this one says 20, so the other one said 16. Is that right? Yep, that one had 16, so this one actually has more in it. And it's also the felt stickers, and let's see what they look like. So they have bats in this one too. These are super cute. Oh my goodness, like 2 layers with the purple and green. Aren't they cute? I love those. I love all these little stickers. I'm so glad I got them. And then little pumpkin. He's a little cutie pie with the little eyes there, and it's 2 layers. That's really neat. And then here's another pumpkin, just a pumpkin by itself, you know what I mean? With not a jack-o'-lantern, but just a pumpkin. But it's also the 2-layer colors there. So there's, what is it, 5 of each one of these. So 5 bats, 5 eye pumpkins, 5 non-eye pumpkins. There's the rest of the bats, and oh, look at these. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. 2 layers of little, you know, the 2-layer look with the little kitty cats. Wow. I am going to have fun with these. Cannot wait. Right after this video, I'm going to use some of these little stickers. I'm making some. Well, I'm getting ready to use, like, look what they would look like on here, I wonder. I just have these little tags. I'm getting ready for a live with Maria, and this video might go out after the live, but still, wouldn't that look cute on a little, you know, I'm going to make some journaling cards, so wouldn't that look cute on there? And that could be made into a tag too. So, yeah, awesome goodies that I got this week. So, oh, one more thing, I've got some little washi tape. I hadn't seen this one before, and I thought this might come in handy, even though it's flowered. It's black lacy looking. I'd like to see what it looks like. If you all haven't seen this one, maybe we can open it up. If I can open it up, but it's black lacy looking washi tape, and I don't remember seeing this one. Or if I did, I didn't buy it, but I thought this could come in handy for some Halloween journals. The black lacy washi tape. And if I can find the end, I'm going to pull it out so we can see what it looks like. Here we go. Got something here. This one's hard. They're usually not that hard to get going. I think I got the end here. Yeah. There's a sharp corner right here. They must have some tape over the end. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, there we go. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. It's like clear. That's going to look really pretty on something. You know what I mean? Like, here's that index card. Look at it over the end here. And the color shows through. Isn't that neat? So whatever you have on there, under there, a book page, or, you know, any color, you'll be able to see it through. Here's some, I have this little Halloween pad that I'm using in my Halloween journals. So look how it looks on purple. Very pretty. That's going to be fun. Cool. Okay. So if you're looking for some Halloween stuff, they've got quite a few cute things. Of course, there's a lot more there. This is just all I picked up. So yeah, Dollar Tree's got it in. They got it going on. So, okay, that's it for today or for now, and I will see you later, and happy crafting and happy thrifting.